all-around gem. Tired of the same dull drive? Well, change up things with this noteworthy 2011 F350. 4-wheel drive. 4x4. 4WD nicely equipped, electronic locking with 3.55 axle ratio, dual alternators, total 357 amps, tailgate step and handle with tailgate assist, power sliding rear window with privacy glass, remote start system, 4x4 electric shift on the fly, power scope trailer tow mirrors, engine block heater. Charles Gaba Sport is Iowa's #1 Ford dealer. We got to be #1 BY, offering great deals on Iowa's largest selection of new Fords and used vehicles in the state. We back it up with service after the sale, including oil changes for life, and we are the area's only 5-time President's Award winner. We are locally owned and a dealer for over 57 years. We look forward to serving you. Come see us today.